Oral Presentation English Level 2. My name is Jorge Alberto Carranza Sanchez. 1. Introduce myself. 2. Talk about my trip experience in the United States. 3. The weather in the United States. 4. Recommendations if you go to United States. I am administrator. Work for Al Costo. I live in Pasto. I'm from Bogota. I love soccer and movies. My pet is Jaco. My wife is Magnolia. My children are Milena, Nicolás, Juan Pablo, and Juliana. My trip experience in United States. Stage 1. Tips to go to United States. Last November, we went on vacation to United States. Our summer case hotel reservation by phone. First, we went to Orlando to visit the park Magic Kingdom. It was very nice and the children had a lot of fun. We took on American Airlines flight from Orlando to New York. The city is beautiful. The buildings and all the tourist places are magical. The Statue of Liberty, Manhattan, and especially the subway are things you should visit. Stage 2. The weather in the United States. The weather was quite sunny. Even though it was the same time the weather in New York changed, so we had to change our wardrobe. We had to buy gloves and because we could not stay the cold on our heads and we only wore jackets. Also, in the winter seasons it's normal to see the snow falling for them, but for us this is spectacular. Stage 3. What you should do. 1. You should use some cream because the region is always sunny. 2. You must wear a cap because all the stuff inside the park is very expensive, so you must bring yours. 3. You have to wear very comfortable clothes to play the whole day. 4. We had to buy gloves and hat because we could not stand the cold on our heads and we only wore jackets. Stage 3. What you should do. You should now buy the tickets online. You can buy more cheaper and hotel close to the park. Do not forget to bring some extra cash so you can buy whatever you want. Thank you.